Hello everyone, this is my review of this hair steamer for natural hair for home use. I don't personally use this because I don't have long hair, but my sister uses it and she loves it, so I'll give you a bit of a review based on her perspective. This hair steamer is designed specifically for home use and it comes with an impressive 10 heat levels. It heats up quickly, which is a huge time saver. Automatic shut-off, 3 timer settings at 3:0 for 5-6 minute, paired with a thermal heat cap. It makes deep conditioning your hair easier and more effective, especially for black hair. My sister noticed significant improvement in her hair moisture retention. It feels softer and less frizzy after each use. The quick heat up feature is great and can get started with my deep conditioning treatment in minutes. The thermal heat cap fits perfectly and she can move around the house without worrying about it slipping off. Overall, she highly recommends the hair steamer for natural hair. It's easy to use and I hope this review helps.